Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about when you're recommended to replace a catalytic converter and how you got there and what you need to know before you have a catalyst replaced on your vehicle. Number one, most catalysts fail because of an electronic component that has to do with fuel control. Either a mass airflow sensor failure, oxygen or air-fuel ratio sensor failure, or other electronic problems as far as that goes, misfires, spark plugs. Raw fuel is what causes the failure of a catalyst typically on a vehicle. So make sure the vehicle is diagnosed properly and the catalyst is diagnosed properly. This is an expensive repair that you don't want to make unless you absolutely have to. Now the second part of replacing a catalytic converter is you either want to get a factory converter straight from the manufacturer for your vehicle, which makes it legal, or you need to get a converter by what's called the engine family number on your vehicle. Whoever is replacing the catalyst should research this for you. Make sure you get a California Air Resources Board certified converter for your vehicle installed. Therefore, you will not have concerns when it comes to the visual inspection for smog. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for The Auto Man, Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.